My dear Dasarians, the non-Brahmins, Vanakkam. Be proud to be Shudras, since your ancestors earned this title not because they were born as a low caste, as described by the evil Varnashrama theory, but because they found the formulae, the Shudras, to reach God. Let us see what Krishna Kannapiran in Tamil, the very great Sutradhari, says in one of his sutras, the Bhakti Yogam. When Arjunan asked whether the ones who worship that formless, ever existing God are those worshipping you who are great, the Lord Kannapiran says that those who worship the formless, omnipresent, ever existing, indefinable, or well controlled of the senses, even minded in everything and loving all creatures, they will also come to me. Anyhow, it is a little bit difficult an exercise for the human beings with form and quality to render faith over the God beyond the quality. Those who renounce all things, having me as their discretion, and worship me in the unchanging yogam, have put their knowledge upon me. I would easily relieve them from the cycle of birth and death. Put your mind to me and engage in your intellect. You will dwell inside of me. If we cannot maintain will, try to practice it many times. If that is not possible, at least engage yourself in my offers. And if we cannot, think of myself and give up the fruits of the actions. The more you practice this, your wisdom will shine. The more the wisdom shines, the more will be the betterment of meditation. The more the meditation shines, you will be high in giving up the fruits of the actions. From the renunciation, peace will be obtained. He loves every creature without enmity, without me and mine, unaffected by the pleasures and sufferings, with patience, happy ever, conquered himself with determined intellect. He would have put his mind and intellect upon me. That devotee is sweet to me. The world will not hate him, and he won't hate the world. He will be free from the boils of joy, anger, and fear. He is my sweetheart. As a pure, skillful, unattached, sorrowless, and without arrogance, he would render devotion upon me. This one who has forsaken good and evil is my favorite. Between friend and enemy, honor and shame, cold and heat, pleasure and suffering, the one who is equal in both is the one who is unattached. The silent, who considers praise and contempt as equal, will be happy with what he has received. Unintentional, the perpetual wise, such a devotee is my dear. They were devotees who practiced these dharmas like nectar, or his favorites, advises Dravidian Acharya, non-Brahmin Swami Sri Krishna Paramatma to non-Brahmin Arjunan. Om Nandri Vanakkam.